Eco's Heritage, A Journey to Change Greentopia. The story will present how environmental education can help kids with knowledge, unity, and dedication to make a significant impact on the environment and create a sustainable future for the planet. The scenario emphasizes the importance of understanding the beauty of nature, learning eco-friendly practices, and actively working together to safeguard their planet for generations to come.
In the bustling town of Greentopia, there lived a group of cheerful kids named Lily, Max, and Ava. One summer, a magical creature named Eco, the Earth Guardian, visited them. Eco had sparkling green eyes and a coat made of leaves. Eco took the children on an incredible journey. They soared above mountains and dove into the depths of the oceans. Along the way, Eco taught them about the beauty of nature and the importance of protecting it. They discovered how trees provided fresh air, and oceans were home to magnificent creatures. They learned about recycling, saving water, and planting trees. Lily, Max, and Ava organized a green festival in Greentopia. The town buzzed with eco-friendly activities, from making recycled crafts to planting vibrant flowers. Families and friends joined in, realizing the impact they could make. Their efforts didn't stop there. The kids started a school club, the Green Dream Team, where they shared their eco-friendly ideas. They created a community garden, turning empty lots into blossoming patches of green. One day, a storm hit Greentopia. But because of the trees they planted, the soil absorbed the rain, preventing floods. The town stood strong against the powerful winds, showcasing the power of nature-friendly practices. When planted, it blossomed into a tree of wisdom, a symbol of their knowledge and dedication. The children and the townsfolk gathered around the tree, pledging to protect their environment forever. And so, in the heart of Greentopia, the tree of wisdom stood tall, reminding everyone that with knowledge and unity, they could safeguard their beautiful planet for generations to come.